All right, just arrived at home, and guess what is out front? My dream came true. Wait till you see what's in these things. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Ryan Huggins here, and this is one of my dreams on my dreams board, dreams list, checked off. So when you are going through life and you have dreams and you're having successes, you want to reward yourself. And so I went ahead and rewarded myself and got me one of my dreams that I've always wanted. And here it is. Let's take a look at what we got here. Cut this one a little. All right, here it goes. What is it? I don't know. Yeah, dude! What's up? So, I got surfboards. I actually got two of them. I'll open the other one here in a second. I have surfed a couple of times on like vacations and things, but I'm no surfer. And I was talking to a buddy of mine who's like an expert surfer, and I asked him, you know, what surfboard should I get starting off wise? And he goes, to be honest with you, you can't tell anybody I ever told you this because I'll lose all of my surfer credibility, but go to Costco and get yourself one of the 8-footers from there and use that as a starting point. So that's what I did. So I got this bad boy here. This is the Wavestorm. I also went through the what are they called? The reviews. And the reviews are like hundreds of 5-star reviews of people just absolutely loving this board. One guy was like 60, he said he's owned 5 of them over his lifetime. They're really good. So I got this one here, and then I got the same one. I got the 8-footer, so it's easier to catch the waves. These are actually a foam board at the top. So that way, because when you fall, you know, when you're new, you're gonna fall, and a lot of times you'll land on your shins, your knees and things. And the professional boards, the better ones, are fiberglass, and those can really hurt. So we're going with the foam so we don't get hurt there. It does come with the fin pack, comes with the leash, all that good stuff. So super stoked. Now you're gonna have some surfing videos coming your way. So I'll be out there teaching leadership and entrepreneur skills on the waves. So anyway, everybody, when you come visit, let's go surfing. Talk to you later.